Gonna talk about the roads. The roads are a key piece in the economic and social development, and social in the territory of any country. In one part, the network of transport intermeasures the territorial position of the science and effect of the well, roads from the point of view of the land management determine the size transport generates. The benefits, I don't know all a lot of benefits, and one I think is of benefits of efficient leader of the transport and of relocation.
The road construction requires the creation of continuous surface, the surface that we see to make easier the move of the cars or vehicles, and this road construction go through a continuous surface that crosses geographical barriers, and it makes easier the vehicles move. And when the law is introduced, it must meet certain regulations and laws or official guides that are mandatory. The process begins sometimes with a vegetation removal or an earth and rock by digging and blasting. The construction of embankments, bridges, tunnels, followed by spread of pavement and a variety of earth moving.
Previous operation and construction, the whole road super expenses and building in the trade need to be removed before construction phase. What is high experience, high can do transfer required and special experience in general no for their extraction positions. Trees should be left to cold water or be scattered when it is avoid affecting the soil surrounding the trees that have protected to remain healthy. Topsoil constructions must be removed signs to not withstand traffic flows and affect the residents of the tract. The withdrawal operation of topsoil is called stripping. The interesting thing is positive off and then on the shoulders of the embankment to protect against surface erosion.
Barbra Streisand.